Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So we are back in the place to be. We are at CVS and we are about to get into this week's deals. So we are about to start off with some beauty money makers. We got a lot of beauty money makers this week, you guys. These beauty money makers are what's going to hold us down and pay for our trip today. So we're starting off with the Neutrogena cosmetics. So the Neutrogena is either buy two, get back a $6 extra buck, or buy three and get back a $10 extra buck. So what I'm going to do in my first transaction is I'm just going to buy two, and I am going to get two of these makeup remover cleansing towelettes. Now it's really important when you're picking up these cleansing towelettes in the makeup section that you get the ones that are 21 count in the makeup section only. Scan them to make sure that you have the right ones. If you buy the ones in the facial care section that are 25 count, they will not work for this deal because they don't count as cosmetics. So you want to grab these 21 count makeup wipes. We have a $4 digital coupon and we have a $2 digital coupon, and I'm going to be using a 3 off of 15 CRT. So the total for these two babies is going to be $14.78. I'm going to be buying some more cosmetics, which is going to push me over so that I can use my 3 off of 15 CRT. So after that 3 off of 15 plus my $4 digital and my $2 digital, I should pay just $5.58, and then I should get back a $6 extra buck, making these babies not only free, but a slight moneymaker. So the next thing we're going to do is this money maker on the Maybelline cosmetics. These are buy two, get back a $5 extra care buck this week. And you may have gotten a $5 CRT for these last week, or like me, I got an 8 off of 20. So I'm going to pick up $20 worth of Maybelline cosmetics. To get my total up to 20, I'm going to grab one of these eyeshadow quads for $4.49, and I'm going to get 3 of these pencils for $5.29. Okay, so here's my quick little Maybelline moneymaker. I have 3 of the eye pencils and 1 of the eyeshadows. I'm going to be using an 8 off of 20 CRT, and I have 2 $2 off coupons and 2 $3 off coupons. We also have $1 insert coupons, and we also had digital coupons. You may have those still loaded to your account as well. After all of my coupons, I should end up paying just $2.36, and then I should get back a $10 extra care buck because I'm going to be doing this deal twice. So these are going to be not only free, but a $7.64 moneymaker. If you did not get a chance to do the Babo this week, remember that this is a monthly deal. So some of you guys let me know that you actually got a buy one, get one free CRT on your account. So because these are buy one, get one free, you can get 2 for absolutely free. And that is going on until the 21st of the month. And then for every 2 that you buy, you're also getting back a $3 extra care buck. If you still have that buy 2, get 1 free on your account, you can still buy 4 of them and only pay for 1 and get back $6 in extra care bucks. All right, you guys, so with the money that we are making from our cosmetics, I am going to pay for my spend 30 get back 10 deal. So we're going to get our household products for super cheap this week. So the first thing I want to grab is a paper product. I actually wanted to get some Bounty, but my store does not have any of the Bounty that is $7.99. So I'm going to grab this Charmin instead because I am still trying to replenish my paper products from all that we have been through this year. So these are $7.99. I'm just going to be using a 25% off digital coupon. Next up, I'm going to grab 2 of these Gain liquids. So these are $4.94. We have a $2 digital coupon, or we have $2 paper coupons as well. I am going to use 1 of each. And then finally, I'm grabbing 2 of these Tide liquids. So these are $5.94. Once again, we got a $2 digital, or you can use $2 paper coupons as well, or you can use 1 of each. All right, so this is my complete household deal that we are going to use our cosmetics to pay for. So I have 1 of the Charmin at $7.99, and I'm going to use the 25-cent digital coupon. I have 2 of the Tide. I have a $2 digital coupon, and we have a $2 paper coupon. And then I have 2 of the Gain. I have a $2 paper coupon, and we have a $2 digital coupon. After all of those coupons are applied, my total should be $21.50 for these items, and then we will get back a $10 extra care buck, making it just $11.50 for everything. But we are going to have a balance out because we are making money from the cosmetics. So I will show you once we check out how this all works. All right, you guys, so this is everything I'm getting in my first transaction on my little side card. Y'all know how I do. So we're going to get our household deal plus our beauty money makers. I'm going to be rolling about $29 in extra care bucks into this deal. And I also have my paper coupons pulled over there. Everything else has been loaded to my card and is all digital. So let's go up to the register and check out and see how this first deal works. All right, you guys, so that worked out beautifully. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there is our Charmin, there is our Gain, there is our Tide, there's our Maybelline, there's our Neutrogena. That Maybelline was such a beautiful money maker. There's all of our paper coupons that we scanned. There is our Neutrogena digital coupons. Both of those came off just fine. Our Gain digital came off, our Charmin digital came off, but what is missing is the $2 Tide digital. That did not come off, but I am going to submit for that $2 digital coupon on the coupons.com app. I'm still playing with that app and learning it, but I love it so far. Hopefully you watched the video that I posted late last week on the new coupons.com app, but I'm going to submit for $2 back for that second bottle of Tide since that digital coupon did not come off, because we are still going to get our $2. And then we have the 8 off of 20 Maybelline and the 3 off of 15 cosmetic CRT. I used my $10 Care Pass reward, and then there's all of the extra care bucks that we rolled. Subtotal came up to $1.44. Just because that $2 digital did not come off, I paid that on a Fetch Rewards gift card, so no money out of pocket. We had a savings value in that transaction of $84.05 and 98%. And then let's see where we were as far as beauty. I only needed $4 to get to my next $3 beauty buck, so we're actually going to get at least $6 back in beauty rewards for this transaction. So it was already paid for by that $6 in beauty. And then we got back $10 for the household deal. We got back $6 for the Neutrogena, and we got back $10 for the Maybelline. So a total of $26 back in extra care bucks, and hopefully I'm going to get back another $2 from the coupons.com app. I will put it up on the screen if that worked out well. If so, this was all free $99. All right, you guys, so let's go on to our next transactions because there is still a few more deals that I want to do today. Look, you guys, we got a guest appearance from my husband. He just pulled up on me. He said he's going to help me coupon. Y'all know that's not true. I will be doing all of this by myself, but he just came to see. So y'all say hello to Matt.
Hello.
Okay, so now we're back at the Neutrogena Cosmetics because I want to do a different deal this time. I want to do the buy 3 get 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 2 of these foundation sticks. They are $17.99 in my store, but we have a buy 1 get 1 free CRT. And this time I am going to get one of these makeup removers right here. These are also $7.79, I believe. So I'm going to be using, since this is a different account, I have 2 of the $4 digital coupons that I'll be using for this. And I have a $2 digital coupon for this, and I have a $3 off CRT as well to go with my buy 1 get 1 free CRT. After all of those coupons are applied, I think I should pay about $12 and some change out of pocket, $12.78, and then I will get back a $10 extra care buck, plus we're going to get back $3 in beauty, making all 3 products free $99. The bigger bottles of Pantene are 3 for $15 this week, and then when you buy 3, you're going to get back a $5 extra cure buck. I have a 5 off of 3 paper coupon from the November P&G, and I also have a 2 off of 7 Pantene CRT. I am hoping that my $5 off of 3 will also apply to this product, my digital coupon that is, because if it does, then I will get a total of $12 in savings off of the 15, leaving me to pay only $3 $3, and then I will get back 5, making them free plus a $2 moneymaker. Now, you may also have a 5 off of 10 Pantene Styler CRT. If you have that, definitely use that for this deal instead of the 2 off of 7, because you're going to grab these products for absolutely free, and that is the Stylers. So the Eucerin is back on a spend 20, get back 10 this week. So we love this deal. We do it all the time. The easiest way to do it for me is always to grab one of the skin calming creams at $9.79 and then one of the daily hydration lotions at $11.99. We also have $3.50 off printable coupons that you can find on the Eucerin website, and I have a 4 off of 20 lotion CRT. So when I grab both of those products, my total is $21.78 after my $4 CRT and my $7 in coupons. You pay $10.78 and then get back $10, making it only 78 cents for 2. I'm actually going to grab one of the Roughness Relief for $12.99, so I'm going to end up paying $1.78 for 2. The CeraVe facial products, all of the facial care that is in this brand is buy one, get one 40% off this week. No extra care buck back. But I have a $5 off CRT and I have a $4 off CRT. So I decided to print off a $4 coupon as well from the CeraVe website. So this will give me a total of $13 in savings towards one of these products. So I was looking for a product that's $12.99. My store doesn't have any, so what I'm gonna get is this product that's $14.49, and after my $13 in coupon savings, I will pay just $1.49 for this cleanser. If you did not do the Secret Clinical deal last week, you may be able to take advantage of some free Old Spice spray this week. So these are buy one, get one 50% off at $8.29. We got that 3 off of 2 CRT last week, and we have $2 off manufacturer coupons. And we also have some 3 off of 2 CRTs. If you have 2 of those, you can stack them both up. You should grab both of these products for absolutely free. This next deal is an unadvertised deal that I'm not going to do because my CRTs are not aligned for it, but yours might be. So these are buy 2, get back a $3 extra care buck this week, and we have $3 off manufacturer coupons as well. So you can buy 2 for $7.79, and then you want to use those 2 $3 manufacturer coupons, and if you have a 3 off of 12 CRT, that's perfect, because that's going to make your total just $3.58, and then you're going to get back a $3 extra care buck. But we also have $1 rebates on Ibotta, which will give you $2 in cash back, making them just 79 cents a piece. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go and do my second transaction. It looks small, but it is mighty because these beauty items are kind of expensive. I am also going to do the Maybelline again in this second transaction, but I'm only going to get 2 of the eyeshadows this time, and I'm going to be using a $1 coupon from the inserts on it, and then I also have a $2 printable coupon and a $5 CRT. So after that, I'll pay like 98 cents and get back $5. So still like a $4 money maker there using those coupons. So I have all of my coupons pulled. I have everything loaded to my card, and I'm going to be using about $30 in extra care bucks, and I should get all 30 back if everything works well. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how this second deal works.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning. Slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
All right, you guys, so this is our complete CVS haul for today. It is a little small for me, but it is still mighty. So let me show you a close-up of my receipt so you can see how everything worked out. So here is our Pantene, there is the CeraVe cleanser, there is the Maybelline, there is the Neutrogena, our Eucerin, and then our Neutrogena foundation sticks. So all of our manufacturer coupons scanned successfully. The Pantene digital did come off with the paper coupon, so that does glitch and give an additional $5 in savings. The Neutrogena coupons, my digitals came off great. Now where I had the issue is my buy one get one free Neutrogena coupon. That was supposed to deduct $17.99 and it only deducted $13.99. So that pushed my total up by $4. I am not sure why that digital only deducted $13.99. And then a couple other digitals, the CRTs, actually reduced down as well. So as you can see, my $5 off Maybelline only took off $4.95, and then one of my CeraVe facial cleansers for $4 only took off $3.68. So I'm not sure what CVS has going on with the CRTs, but that is some funny math, and I may actually have to contact them about that. So because of those CRTs adjusting and taking off other values, I had a subtotal of $4.40 after rolling a total of $30 in extra cure bucks. So not bad at all. I placed that on a Fetch Rewards gift card as well. We had a total savings of $105.99 in that second transaction, and we saved 96%. So tracking towards beauty, I only need $10 for my next $3 reward, so I will definitely get back $6 in extra cure bucks for beauty from this deal. And I got back the $5 for the Pantene. I got back the $10 for the Eucerin. I got back the $5 for the Maybelline, and I got back the $10 for the Neutrogena. So not a bad deal at all when you consider that we're getting back a total of $36 in extra care bucks after only spending $30 plus $4 in cash. So even with that hiccup with the CRTs, both of these transactions have come out free, $99, and I will take free for the items that we have picked up today, because a lot of these items are really expensive even though they are smaller. And then we got our household items as well. Remember to check below for a written breakdown of all of today's deals. I will have it linked in the Google Doc in the description box, and I will also have a couple deals included that I did not do today, so be sure to check that written breakdown out. I hope this video was helpful to you all. If it was, please remember to hit that thumbs up button. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.